All right. So I'm gonna give you one of the theorem right now. The increment theorem for function of two variables. Suppose that the first partial derivatives of are defined throughout an open region R containing the point x naught y naught and are continuous at x naught y naught, then the change delta z is almost like the quotient in the value of f that results from moving from x naught y naught to another point. Which is delta x y naught plus delta x in R. It's a region in the third dimension that satisfies an equation of the form delta z equals delta x, I'll just write it like this, plus partial derivative in respect to y, delta y plus epsilon 1 delta x plus epsilon 2 delta y, in which each of epsilon 1 and epsilon 2 goes to 0 as both delta x delta y goes to 0. From that, I'm going to give you another corollary. Basically, I'm just all this stuff we have done, this is the mathematical explanation of what's happening. Corollary of the theorem. Ready? So if the partial derivative of x, partial derivative in respect to x and y of the function are continuous throughout an open region, R, then f is differentiable at every point R. From that, let me give you another theorem. Differentiability implies continuity. These are basically all the theorem from calculus 1, finding the continuity, what happens with the epsilon delta 1. So we're looking at it in the third dimension. The color red? Okay. What about this one? Okay. Differentiability implies continuity. It's kind of like in the calculus one, remember? If the function is differentiable, that means it's continuous, it has smooth curve. It's kind of like that. If a function is differentiable at x naught, y naught, then f is continuous at x naught, y naught. Okay, we did all this dry, hard stuff. And now let's go back to some example problem. Find an f of z for given f of x, y, z, natural log of x plus 2y plus 3z. Yep. Okay, so let's look at it. F of x, what is it, guys? And what's the derivative of x? 1. Done. F of y gives you what? Two x plus 2y plus 3z, right? And f of y. Oh, that's the double one. I didn't even do it over here. Ooh, this, we could still do bad. 0 minus 2 times. Oh, just, yeah, that's pretty easy. Easy. Right? First you take the, do you know how we got this? Yes. Then we're just taking the derivative of this in respect to y. And and the square of the bottom. It's quotient rule. All right, let's try some other one. Can you guys see blue? Can you guys see blue? Okay. Okay. Tell me f of x, f of y, f of z, f sub z. What's the first one, guys? YZ times 1 over xy times what? Y. YZ over x. Is that what you guys got? What about the second one? Z natural log of xy plus YZ times xy times x, right? Right? What about FZ? Oh, that's super easy. Y natural log of xy. Right? So far, easy. All right. Example, find wxy for w is natural log of 2x plus 3y. Should I give you more time, or you guys got it? Are you guys getting the hang of it now? Miss Yamat? Oh, you didn't come last class, right? You feel left out, huh? All right, let's look at this. Ready, guys? WX is, what is it, guys? Oh, 2 over 2x plus 3y, right? And then we take the derivative of this in respect of y. So dw. You guys know that cartoon? What is that cartoon, guys? Yeah, there you go. Who was DW? Do you guys know that? Yeah, the annoying sister. Like, do you guys even is that cartoon still on, Arthur?
Yeah, because Mr. Ratford got married.
What? No way. That thing is still on? That's like when I was little, I was watching that cartoon.
Mr. Ratford, he was interviewed as gay, got gay marriage.
Wait, he's gay? What?
But in Alabama, they did like a prison gay marriage. So
He was gay? Oh my god, I gotta go back and watch the show again.
in Alabama, he married his cousin. Everywhere else is gay.
So in Alabama, they have a different episode where he married his cousin?
It's the same thing, but instead of being gay, he's marrying his like cousin.
In Alabama. How's that like?
I don't know. That's what I heard.
What? Marrying cousin is okay? You can marry your cousin over there? Yeah, it's like a family reunion. It's like they should have more family reunion at Alabama then. Yes. Damn it! Just don't tell anybody that. All right. What is this gonna be? 2 times 3. 2x plus 3y squared. Wow, I need to go watch that. That was like so cool. I remember the cartoon. I still remember. Like I would watch it summertime because you wouldn't have class, and they watch it at PBS 9 o'clock or 9:30. I can't recall. In those days, we used television. So nowadays, you go on computer to watch it. So, all right. Just in case if you don't know, those big box television cube thing. They didn't have that. No, I loved I liked hanging around. What is it? So I would hang around in the library so much that the librarian would just allow me to go behind the sections reference. So I would just hang around looking at getting those old books that I found some books that they haven't been checked out for like over 20, 30 years. So you just open it, try to smell the time and all that.